our desire is to make the world a better and more alluring place to live, with a powerfully attractive and exciting experience designed with and for our customers. And that's the vision that I want to share with you today. Our vision is that the world is better with allure. And that means a future that is attractive, tech-forward, and always human-centric. Well, as a brand, Peugeot has more than 200 years of history, of invention and innovation. And in our pursuit of pushing the boundaries ever further, I want to share with you today our latest tech innovation. This is an object that features all the Peugeot hallmarks of magnetic design, instinctive pleasure, and a seamless user experience. It empowers its user and embraces the very latest gestures of consumer electronics. Touch, tap, swipe, and it is at once electric and electrifying. Your fingertips do the driving with this revolutionary tablet-like control center. No stalks, no knobs, no buttons. Fingertip rings and voice recognition control the driving experience. And steer-by-wire means small inputs make driving fun for a new generation. This is gaming in real life, and coming to a Peugeot near you as soon as 2026. But, exciting as it is, of course, I haven't just come to share with you our new steering control. I've come to present to you a new, inspiring, and electrifying vision for the future of driving as seen by Peugeot. The Hypersquare is just one example of forward thinking that will fill tomorrow's driving experience with allure. So, welcome the Peugeot Inception concept.
Built to last,
a new breed of cat, feline E-Lion, and it shows Peugeot's new perspectives on our next generation electric lineup. We call the design Feline Future. It has the magnetic poise and posture of a big cat, ready to spring. The haunches, the latent dynamism, the trademark Peugeot claws, front and rear. The 7 square meter multichromatic sky space brings luminosity and sophistication, changing color in the light. Light and glass is the new black and chrome. They attract your eyes and draw you in. The new Fusion mask at the front is animated with the Peugeot lion, our iconic trademark from more than 200 years of brand history, symbolizing strength, speed, and agility. The sleeping lion wakes up as you approach, recognizes you, and welcomes you. And the Infotech bar speaks to you with a personal greeting and configures the car to your settings. Welcome on board. Inception is built around a state-of-the-art stellar BEV-by-design platform, a blank canvas for our designers. No constraints, no transmission tunnels, no inclusive mechanicals, an opportunity to create and invent from the flat floor up. So instead of a cabin, we've created a new space, a lounge. Instead of a seat, an extended fit armchair. Instead of a dashboard, an open, upgraded living space. The inviting armchairs envelop you with their active air bolsters, both body hugging and weight saving. The intelligent storage welcomes everything you expect in a living room. Your tablet, phone, drinks, bag, anything you expect around you. No longer a place to journey from A to B. This is now an inspiring social space to meet, to greet, create, relax, and if you wish, drive. And as Carlos mentioned, already a decade ago, Peugeot invented the first iCockpit of the car industry, a new ergonomic and engaging relationship between car and driver. And with Peugeot Inception concept, we now reinvent the iCockpit, integrating the hypersquare. Peugeot's trademark instinctive driving pleasure and agility is taken to the next level with steer-by-wire technology. Above the hypersquare sits the halo cluster with key information presented in line of sight while you're driving. Powered by Stellar Brain, tech that will truly bring Peugeot to the next gen of customer experience. The spherical cluster is refreshed over the air with regular Allure updates. New year, new look, new function, new processes too. Peugeot Inception concept is a showcase for the technologies and techniques that we will deploy to reduce our carbon footprint by more than 50% by 2030 and become fully carbon net zero by 2038, in line with the Stellantis roadmap that Carlos explained. Saving resources with raw material finishes and design DNA that needs no chrome or alloy adornment. Saving weight with air-quilted seats and single-layer paint. Saving waste with forged fabrics molded from offcuts in the production process. And saving energy with efficient electric power, twin electric motors and 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack make the 800 kilometers or 500 miles from Paris to Turin, or if you prefer, Vegas to San Jose, a breeze on one charge. And with 30 kilometers per minute charging time, a quick tap, go, and an espresso will see you on the road again. So you can sit back and relax and enjoy the drive, or perhaps the ride, thanks to Inception Concepts Auto Drive. The Hypersquare and Halo cluster retract effortlessly to reveal a panoramic cinema screen for work, rest, or play on the move. New space, new gestures, new perspectives, new experience. The Inception concept you see before you is Peugeot's vision of the future. But more than a concept, Inception is, like its name suggests, the start of something new, something big, the start of our next generation of electric Peugeots hitting the road in 2026. So the future's bright, the future's alluring, and I, for one, can't wait to experience it.
We have got the right focus and resources to support, shape, and scale the best breakthroughs in all facets of sustainable mobility. Shared, pre-owned, bikes, commercial vehicles, electric aircraft, automated, you name it. We've got the complete package and are guided by a clear strategic vision. The Dare Forward 2030 plan is our blueprint for providing cutting-edge freedom of mobility. We are focused on executing our plan, a plan that is grounded in our goal to be the first in our sector to achieve carbon net zero emissions by 2038. It's a commitment that is triggering every part of how we do business. We are rethinking the assumptions from the ground up, something we have done time and time again. Citroën is credited with being the first mass-produced front-wheel car. Jeep brought four-wheel drive to the world stage, and Chrysler was the first to introduce the minivan. Stellantis is now 2 years in, and we stand firmly in our conviction to continue leading the way we will do. Okay, let's dive in and look at some of the tech that will make our world better. Let's talk software first. We are moving fast. We are completely refreshing and rebuilding our software systems. When we kicked off this effort, we looked at what kind of experiences customers are seeking. They want simplicity. We know there's too much friction between our customers and the tech in cars today. We are moving towards more simple, intuitive ergonomics, where customers will complete all tasks with one glance and one click. To make this happen, starting in 2024, we are bringing 3 new state-of-the-art software stacks. Combined with our 4 BEV-centric vehicle platforms, we will deliver optimal solutions for our customers. We are working with the best partners across industry to bring our new software platforms, Foxconn, Amazon, Qualcomm, to name a few. We understand that software is a way for us to get closer to our customers and to better understand their needs in real time, to create experiences that give exactly what they need during these times. Peace of mind. Simplicity so they can focus on living, not on the buttons. At the end of the day, they are experiencing something very physical, and together it must be seamless. One glance, one click. Take the example of Chrysler. Yesterday, Chris Farrell, our Chrysler brand CEO, revealed the Synthesis interior concept, which showcases our software technology in the Chrysler branded environment and experience. The concept cockpit represents the brand's vision for making life easier, better, and more efficient. We are where we seamlessly connect and synchronize the vehicle to everything, but we do it in a way that serves the customer. From devices to home, to work, to incorporating a virtual personal assistant, along with artificial intelligence to make life easier. Automating the most annoying of tasks and providing immersive experiences, such as taking an escape in the Chrysler chill mode. Building our own vehicle software stack also allows us to harness data more effectively. Data that can help create better experiences and a smarter world. Today, I'm excited to announce the creation of MobiliSites, our new data service business hub. With MobiliSites, we are enabling a third-party ecosystem of application and service providers to create experiences that complement our products. It's one of the 5 pillars of our software growth strategy. With data from our vehicles, we will, among many other things, personalize the EV ownership, from predictive maintenance to route planning, locating charging points. All right, we are ready to see some product on this stage. Let's start with Peugeot, one of our leading brands in Europe. For those of you who may not be familiar, Peugeot did in fact win the Indianapolis 500 3 times. And their current iCockpit system has set the benchmark with more than 9 million satisfied customers, known for creating a new relationship between the driver and the car. Some of the iCockpit design is now inside the new Peugeot 9X8 hypercar for Le Mans.